and prominent entrepreneur and a thought leader in the manufacturing and industrial sector, the founder of Moglix, a B2B e-commerce company, none other than Mr. Rahul Garg. He founded Moglix in 2015 with the aim of transforming the B2B industrial product space in India. Before Moglix, Mr. Rahul Garg worked at Google in the United States for 6 years. His company has raised significant funding from investors including Tiger Global Management, SL Partners, Sequoia Capitals India, and so on. Here are 3 amazing leadership lessons from his life. Number 1, lead with integrity. He believes in leading with integrity and being ethical in the business dealings, and understand that trust is crucial in building relationships. Number 2, art of falling gracefully. According to him, failure is an inevitable part of the entrepreneurial journey and is essential to learn from it and move forward. Number 3, having creative approach. Innovation is a core of Moglix success, and Mr. Rahul Garg encourages his team to think creatively and find out more innovative solutions to the older problems. Are you an entrepreneur who's only looking for success, or are you ready to fall for the mistakes that you have made? Questions?